everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you noticed, this is definitely the angle you guys are not familiar with. I actually have my camera pretty close to me because I just want you to see what I'm doing up close. Makeup for me is a form of therapy because when I feel myself a little bit down, I sit there in my own little space and I apply my makeup and take my time. It just makes me feel very happy, relaxed, and satisfied. The look I'm doing is one I always do because it's my comfort look. Makeup therapy is a legitimate thing, a coping mechanism. People opened up about how makeup and skincare help them cope with issues like depression, anxiety, and chronic illness, explaining that beauty brings positivity and confidence to otherwise dark, overwhelming situations. A mental health therapist says that makeup can be therapeutic because it's a form of art. Doing something like applying makeup can help the body and mind to slow down and focus intently on something. This makeup therapy is not just for me, this is also for you guys that are watching. Enjoy!
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.